Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to make, some people call it corn pudding, corn casserole, corn souffle, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm making. When my dad was in the hospital, we had to go eat at the cafeteria one day, and they had some corn pudding, so we got some. But I like theirs better because it was more like a cornbread type thing instead of a custardy type, because we don't really like custard. So this is how I'm going to make it. In my bowl I have 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal mix and around 1/4 of a cup of self-rising flour. Just going to mix that a little bit. Now I'm just going to add everything and just mix it up. This is optional. I just took 2 jalapenos and de-seeded them and chopped them up in my food processor. So I'm adding that. We thought it would be really good. I have 1 cup of sour cream. I have 1 stick, which is a 1/2 cup of melted butter. I have 1 can of the whole kernel corn that I drained. And then on the cream style corn, all I have is my frozen cream corn that I make. So this is equal to about 14.5 ounce cans. So I'm going to add it. It's still a little frozen, but it'll be alright. I'm going to add 2 eggs. And now I'm going to mix it well. If it's really thick, I can always add a little bit of milk or buttermilk to it to thin it out just a little bit. Tonight for supper we're going to have some chicken, and we're going to have some homemade slaw. And then this morning I put on some dried pinto beans with the northern beans and some country ham, and had it slow cooking all day, and some fried potatoes. So I thought this would go really good with it. Now I just have a throwaway pan that I've sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray. I'm just going to add this to it. Now I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to need to cook this for around 45 minutes. Maybe till an hour. But you just want to check it till everything's done. The top's a little browned and it doesn't jiggle. So I will bring you back and I will time how long it took mine. Alright, my corn casserole is done. It took mine right at 55 minutes, but cooking times will vary. And so now I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes till the rest of my dinner gets done, and then we'll try some. Okay, I thought I would show up close. Me getting some out to try. Real soft and moist on the inside. It's really good, and it's like kind of what they had up at the hospital, and they had peas to eat with theirs, and it was really good. And mine's more like a cornbread with corn and jalapenos in it, with a lot of corn in it, but it's really moist and has a good flavor. So thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, have you ever had this before, or how do you make yours? Let me know. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.